Hey, what's up YouTube? In today's episode, we're going to go ahead and learn how to change the color of the taskbar. As you can see right here on Windows 11, by default, the taskbar, it's kind of grayish, and honestly, it looks really dry. You definitely got to spice it up and put some color into it. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that real quick. Right here in your keyboard, go ahead and press the Windows plus the I keys. All right, so that's going to go ahead and take you into the system settings, as you can see. All right, so go ahead and click that option right there. Go to that option where it says personalization. All right, there you go. Then you're going to come over here to the option that says colors. Then you're going to go ahead and scroll down a little bit. All right, as you can see, by default, that's going to be grayed out. Okay, right there, as you can see, it says show as in color on star and taskbar. Okay, so what you have to do, come over here to where it says settings, click the little arrow, go back, and then you're going to go to themes. Okay, the reason why we had it grayed out is because this is the theme that you have, which is the gray theme on the Windows operating system. Okay, Windows 11 operating system. So for you to be able to change the color of the taskbar as well as your start menu, you have to select any one of these themes right here, like this dark one. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and select this one, dark theme. Then you go back over here to personalization. Then you go back over here to colors, and then right here you can pick any of these colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick this green one. As you can see, it changes the color automatically. It definitely gives it a different view. Okay, that also affects your start menu. Okay, so it's going to be the same color. So let's go ahead and select this red one. As you can see, start menu and the taskbar are red. So it definitely does give it, it looks a lot better. It gives it totally a different view. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it probably with this this green one. I like that green one right there. So okay, as you can see, that definitely looks a lot better. All right, so that's another video brought to you by your boy Louis right here. So please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'll definitely appreciate it. All right, so please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Okay, thanks a lot for watching. Peace out.